Cursed is the one who attacks his neighbor secretly. And all the people shall say, Amen. Deuteronomy 27:24. Global organized gang stalking operations violate the following laws of God and man. 1. 4 of the 10 commandments, including thou shalt not kill, steal, bear false witness, covet. 2. 8 of the 10 Bill of Rights amendments guaranteed in the U.S. Constitution, Articles 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as well as Amendments 13 and 14. As per Amendment 14, depriving fellow citizens of their civil liberties is treason. 3. At least 35 U.S. federal laws, for example, U.S. Code Section 18-2261A and 2381, which specifically prohibit gang stalking, and U.S. Code Section 18241, the U.S. Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, RICO, the Common Rule Concerning Human Experimentation, the Federal Policy for the Protection of Human Subjects, the Open Government Law, FACA, and other laws. 4. All state laws prohibiting stalking, chipping, etc. For example, Colorado House Bill 071082, etc. Gang stalking is a criminal felony in all states. 5. The entire second paragraph of the Declaration of Independence. 6. At least 2 laws set forth in the Magna Carta of the year 1215. 7. All 10 requirements of the 1948 Nuremberg Code, an international treaty to which the U.S. is signatory. 8. The 1949 Geneva Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of Torture and Genocide, another international treaty to which the U.S. is signatory. 9. 12 of the 19 rights guaranteed in the UN Declaration of Human Rights, including Articles 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, and 26, are being violated. This is another international treaty to which the U.S. is signatory. 10. The UN Convention Against Torture, UNCAT, which the U.S. signed on to in 1982. 11. The United Nations International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. 12. In addition to violating the above laws, all medical, mental health, and neuroscience doctors violate the Hippocratic Oath when they participate in mind control and organized stalking programs. 13. In addition to violating the above laws, all government workers, military, police officers, and politicians violate their oaths of office when they participate in these programs. Numerous lawsuits have been filed by individuals and groups against government agencies regarding these crimes against humanity. Up until now, these lawsuits have been thrown out of court or settled out of court. A few of these lawsuits include the International Committee on Offensive Microwave Weapons versus the United States, filed in 1998. Lawsuits filed against President Obama, the DoD, the CIA, SPAWAR, and others for violating rights of electromagnetically controlled, non-consensual human experimentees by R.L. Kane and E.D. Taylor, 2014 and 2010, and a 1992 lawsuit of Acquay versus the National Security Agency, NSA.